drivers because they were telling them they don't have condoms in the car, which is not a necessity. It is not required. Right? There's no law that says you must have it. Are we there? So let nobody ever frighten you. And then we used to talk about the gloves, les gants. The gloves are also used in several different ways. I've seen cases where the engine coolant goes dry. The person standing by the road has no container to carry water. He used that glove as a container to carry water and fill into the radiator. There was a small stream by. Where will you take container? You go and carry with your mouth and come out, blow inside the radiator. So that was a smart one and I've never forgotten. J'ai eu un ami, il a eu une panne sèche. Sans contenant pour pouvoir prendre de l'eau, il a utilisé les gants. Les gants on n'est pas d'accord. Oui. Oui. Pour puiser l'eau et mettre dans son radiateur. Et c'était, je n'ai jamais oublié ça. C'était très rusé de sa part. Then we have what? Flashlights. It's important also, in case you have a breakdown at night or in the dark. Not so. Then what? Your tow rope. This is very important. It's actually mandatory. The towing rope pour assister à tirer le véhicule ou le véhicule de quelqu'un qui est en panne. When you have a breakdown in a very dangerous place, somebody can pull you away and take you to safety. Not so? Yes. So it's very useful. You can use it to pull somebody up, somebody uses it to pull you. So it's very necessary in a vehicle. A toolkit ou a toolbox, boîte à outils, très nécessaire dans le véhicule, une boîte à outils. But I did not say you should go and carry the whole garage and keep behind the car, because they will talk like that. Some of these my young boys, they will go take electric jack. You will now the one put small garage for back motor space. No, they will always span and flop. Duct tape or zip ties. Duct tape, scotch. Very important in a vehicle. Zip ties. You know what zip ties are now? You put an drag. Zip. They sell them very cheap. They are very efficient. You can even have your bumper that is loose. You hit it somewhere. You just use a zip tie. Put there and zip it. Zip, and that is it. You go till you get it repaired. Zip ties. Car battery charger or power bank. This is assistive. It assists you if your battery is dead. You charge it, not so, and keep in the vehicle. If your battery goes down, you just put on your head battery and start the car. It starts the car. This one. C'est comme le power bank de la voiture. Ça aide à démarrer la voiture en cas de batterie morte. Yes, it's a power bank. It's a 12-volt power bank. Right? The voltage that comes out of these heads, it has a positive and negative. You hold on your battery, it's 12 volt. Yes, on the terminal to assist your car in starting, right? And some of them have USB ports on them. You can actually use it to charge other different things. But this one is a 12 volt power bank. For the trucks, their own is up to 24 volts. For standard car, it's just 12, right? Windshield wiper fluid is always good to have some left in the car. Pour le lave-vitre, je ne sais pas si ça dans la voiture, c'est un peu comme le savon. Pardon? Oui. Le quoi, le Pax? Oui, pour les... Mais en liquide, non? Non. Quand on utilise les détergents en poudre, c'est risqué. When you use, because I always say we use Omo now. We use Omo, but not Omo. Omo is not good. Powder Omo. The liquid dish soap, the one they use to wash your plate, and liquid, the detergent and liquid là. Put in a container, add some water inside, shake, put inside. Parce que dès que tu utilises le détergent en poudre, ça vient avec les petits morceaux, n'est-ce pas, qui risquent de bloquer les petits tuyaux qui envoient l'eau sur le pare-brise. Right? You have very small particles that are inside the powder Omo, this Omo bleu and the ones Ola, the ones we use around. Now I'm doing advertisement. So it can easily block the nipples because of the particles. So it's best to use liquid soap. You put some liquid soap into a container like a Tangi bottle and then add some water, shake when it's well soapy. You send it now inside, not so. Or you get one from the gas station for our big boys and girls. That's what. Extra oil. Oil, they say oil and coolant. Yes. Extra is always good to have some. You can have, maybe you've turned, then you can have some in a small tangi, 1 liter, just secure it somewhere in the car. We never know when we get into trouble. Not so? Yes. Good. Our phone chargers, that's also very necessary. We know it. They'll come. Our phone chargers. Our phone chargers. How many volts is that? It's 5 volt now. Phone chargers take what? 5 volt. So you always have a converter, the one you see in the car. It takes 12 volts and transforms it into 5 volts, probably 1.5 amp, 2 amps. Not so. And then a GPS phone, a GPS system in your car, or a phone mount, because your phone can also serve as a GPS. Not so. If you have your phone mount, you just mount your phone there, go to your Google Map, not so, and then you activate and it leads you wherever you are going to. We're just talking about nice things to have in the car now. You have what? The fire extinguisher, which is very important. And we have 2 types of fire extinguisher: powder base, not so, and liquid base or foam. What? Yes. Yes. You have powder base that actually blows out powder to suffocate the fire. Why do they do that? Because the car has what? Electrical systems. Current and water don't go together. Madame, c'est comme ça, non? Dans le véhicule, il y a 2 genres d'instincteurs, à liquide ou à mousse ou à poudre. Puisque la voiture est électrique, n'est-ce pas? Il y a beaucoup d'électronique là-dedans. Ça, tu risques de faire un court-circuit et aggraver la situation. So, fire extinguishers, most of them, they won't actually conduct current. This one is a foam base. It's not toxic. It's not a problem. I've seen it now. Yes. It's just foam. Have you seen it? Yes, it's foam. What it does, it suffocates the fire. It's there to suffocate the fire. And attacking the fire, you attack from where? From the bottom, the base of the fire. Chop Nokuya, please. You catch up. Yes. So that is also, it's vital in a car, even at home, in your kitchens, in your offices, your business sites. It's very important to have them. Like here in Zion, we have one there at the angle. You people have seen it now. That's it there. Yes, we have one. In case of a fire, any of you can rush, pick it, and turn off the fire as fast as possible. Not so. Now we have our reflective warning triangles. We already know them now. We talked about them earlier up there. What again? Spare fuses and bulbs. That one that I used to talk about, you know. Somebody will have a musical set in his vehicle that's worth about 300, 500,000 francs, but his navigator in the car is not working. Yes. The driver behind you, the driver in front of you has nothing to do with your musical set. Il faut toujours avoir des ampoules ou des fusibles. On garde des fusibles et des ampoules de rechange dans la voiture. Au cas où on a un problème. Le chauffeur qui est devant vous et qui est derrière vous n'a rien à faire avec votre système sonore ou vos télévisions qu'il y a dans la voiture. Mais les clignotants sont très, très importants. Your trafficators are far more important than your musical sound system in the car. Not so. You can learn how to change it yourself. It's very easy. If you like to learn it, you learn it. It's something that happens, your bulb is not going. You just open, switch the bulb, put back, and you're going. When you see cars that don't have trafficators, they always have scratch everywhere because nobody understands which direction they want to go. So they're always into collisions. Yes?
You mean the bulb has to change the bulb?
Yes, of course. Car bulbs. Don't you change the bulb in your house? It's the same concept. Most cars, to change the bulb, you open the back boot and see from inside. Some require, all models require screwdrivers. You just remove the reflective surface and then switch the bulb and you're fine. It's very easy. Some you just have to turn the head, the same as you are doing with your bulb. Just turn it, remove it, replace the bulb, put it back and turn it and you're fine. Yes, spare bulbs, the one for the car. Yeah. I did not say go take street bulb, can't put that. Yes, it's good to have. We are talking about good things to have in your car, right? Okay, imagine that you get home, your bulb is back. We have days that the stores are not open. How do you now manage? Or if it's bad on the highway, because it will not alert you when it's getting bad. You're driving to Douala. By the time you want to arrive at Welcome to Bamenda, it goes. And how do you know you have a faulty trafficator light, indicator light?
Show from the dark.
Well, yes. Beautiful. I'm very certain you people retain that class from me. Good. What happens is, quand le clignotant, comment savoir s'il y a une ampoule grillée sur le clignotant? Normalement, le clignotant, ça clignote à une bonne... in a good pace, right? Tick-tack, 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 tick-tack. But when one bulb is bad, tick-tack, 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 tick-tack. It becomes fast, ça devient plus rapide. Déjà dans le véhicule, ça vous indique déjà, soit c'est la gauche ou la droite. Le côté qui commence à clignoter un peu trop rapidement, ça veut dire qu'il y a une ampoule grillée. Si les deux sont grillés, ça reste... it stays, when all the two are bad, the light stays. It doesn't... Yes, it just stays on the arrow points without clicking. Right? Good. Glove. Glove. Rain pouch. We all know what gloves serve for now. It can help even to change the wheel. They are not talking about the glove that you use, the medical glove. Yes, they are talking about standard glove. Mostly for women. Yeah. You people have done your manicure, pedicure. When they are spoiled now, wait for change tire, no day. But if glove day, okay. Seat belt cutter. Or window breaker. This one is 2 in 1. Seat belt cutter or window breaker. You can just get a cutter. We know what a cutter is now. The blade you press and the blade comes out. Not so. To cut the seat belt, because at times you get into an accident and your seat belt will not let you go. You just need to cut it off and get out of the car. Or somebody is injured in the car and the seat belt is not going and you need to take the person out. How do you take out the person from there? You need to cut the seat belt. So there's say window breaker or a sharp pointy object, heavy metallic object will help to break the glass, because that glass is not actually easy to break. If they tell you to break it with your hand, you don't die. It's very hard. At times we tell you to use the seat belt itself, the buckle. Once you unbuckle it, crack, it comes out. That metal head, use it to hit the glass. It helps. Hit at an angle. Use one of the angles, not flat like this. Turn it a little bit. Hit the glass, it breaks. La ceinture de sécurité, on dit buckle, je ne sais pas comment on va appeler ça en français. Dès que ça sort, la tête métallique, quand vous êtes coincé dans le véhicule, oui, on peut utiliser pour casser les vitres et sortir du véhicule. Oui. Mais il y a des outils pour ça. Comme celle-ci, ça vient avec un petit couteau à l'intérieur pour couper la ceinture de sécurité en cas où on est calé. Et ça a une tête en diamant. Ça a une tête en diamant qu'on utilise pour casser la vitre si on doit sortir rapidement. In buses, 70-seaters, you always see them hanging. They look like a small hammer. They hang by the sides. You can take it out to break the glass and go out in case you need to get out as fast as possible. Extra fuel can. Un petit bidon, un petit réservoir pour utiliser, pour acheter du carburant en cas. A small gas can. If you leave the car, take an Okada to get fuel to come and put in the car and move the car to the petrol station. Not so, yes. Or you walk on foot. You can actually use it. Somebody can come with a car, most fuel. You siphon some, put in your can and you go and use to get your car to a safe place. If some man can gallon say one drag some more petrol, I will say 1 liter like 5,000. Okay, drinking water and snacks on long journeys. Not so. Yes, find something chop. Whether stress they have, or find us something chop. That's my favorite part actually. When something they will chop, right? So water, and as I said, the driver's compartment, le compartiment du chauffeur, ne doit pas avoir des objets qui qui marchent, n'est-ce pas? Il faut éviter à tout prix les petites bouteilles d'eau. Tu vois, le chauffeur va boire et puis tu déposes à côté. Non, ça marche. Ça peut rouler et ça entre sur les pédales. Tu appuies la pédale, ça ne descend pas parce qu'il y a une petite bouteille d'eau en bas. Même quand vous êtes, surtout vous les dames, vous avez tendance à mettre vos talons pour une bonne fête, mais à la fin, il faut enlever et mettre les ballerines pour pouvoir conduire. Et à la fin, on laisse les talons là dans le compartiment du chauffeur. Et quand la voiture marche, ça vibre, les chaussures là, ça bouge. Ça va maintenant bloquer les pédales du véhicule et on entre dans un accident. Donc, au cas où, on doit enlever, on met derrière ou côté passager devant. Il faut éviter d'avoir des objets qui marchent dans le compartiment du chauffeur. Ok. And then what? Final so small thing now. Now my best one this. What zoom on fine. Hey, who makes so? Extra small something now. For do are after Dame. Voila, Choco. you want at the retail. You get to get normally your documents. Your documents. ID card, driver's license. At times medical records. Do you know that? Allergies. You can be allergic to something and they give you. There are people that are allergic to anti-tetanus, allergic to some drugs. Right? Yes, it's good to have a medical record that stipulates those things in case so that they don't inject you something that is bad. Not so. And the final one, small for pocket. Yeah. If you want password, shave one top, you say me take and buy a top they drink. And never someone I work a corrupt police people anymore. But if you dash 500 under hard sun, say me drink juice day. That's being a good citizen. That's it now. There's toll gate. Thank you. There's toll gate. There's bitter cola on the road. Yes, buy small bitter cola chop. Yeah. Bobolo, miondo, egusi. So many things to enjoy on the road. Any questions? If you have any questions, this is the time now. S'il y a les questions, on cause. Il y a les difficultés, on en parle. We said Zion is a family. I'm not lecturer Randy. I'm instructor. I just instruct on how we manage these things. I'm not the one who made them. So let's discuss together. Madi one way just don't quiet. So it shows you don't chop the money. The way man just man not even mood at all. Asia. I said I'll send it to your different groups now. Do we go or do we talk about something else again? Let's talk about something else. Or let's go. Where are those new people? The people for steering control. Okay. I will just do a refresher on.